Hello to all my friends out there. Hi, you guys. Look at this adorable blouse the manager where I live gave me. I love it. I did a mukbang a few days ago, and I had one of these. They're like kafkins. You can wear them for a dress or a blouse. And so I mentioned, wow, the manager where I live looks so cute in them. So, mine wasn't so hot, so I gave her one. And so then today, she gave me one, and this one is a lot cuter than the one I gave her. I didn't do that on purpose. I had no experience. So anyway, I said to her, wow, where do you get these? Because I really like them, and they're really comfortable. And she looks really cute in hers. And she said, I get them at the thrift store. And I go, really? I've never seen them. But I will see them now. So I want to make a really, really easy dinner. And I made some peach tea. And I passed on the sugar because when I was doing the mukbang, it came to light sugar in drinks is the highest fat food we consume. Which makes sense. Okay, so now, today I accepted 2 freebies in the laundry room, both expired 2021, another applesauce pie, and I will make some beans and bacon out of this. So, also, I want to encourage you guys, if you don't have much money, to go to the food bank. Okay, so now, I want to make something very, very cheap. I got this hash at Dollar Tree for $1. And it says this is 10 ounces. It says this is 1 serving size. I would say this would be 2 serving sizes, unless like maybe if you're really, really starving, then Okay, so what I like to do with it, some people cook it and they put wells in it, and then they cook the eggs. That'd be good, but that's not what I like to do. I like to put salt and pepper on it. I like to brown it on both sides, so I'm going to move it over here. And over here, I'll turn this up. Okay, I bought the hash at Dollar Tree, and I bought the eggs, 8 for $1 at Dollar Tree. And I bought some shelf-stable milk at Dollar Tree. So if I cook my eggs on the side, then I can cook them kind of flat, and then they will cover my entire hash. And then I can put some jalapeños on my eggs. That's going to be good, you guys. So I'll have like a scrambled egg that big, the same size as the entire pan. Ooh. Ooh. My toast is a little brown now. I bought the bread at Walmart. What I do with the pepper. Okay, so now, remember these? This is everything in the stockpile. And I stockpile margarine in the freezer. I bought this at 99 cents only. So I'll just put a few jalapeños on my eggs. This will be good, you guys. Okay, so now I'm not done with the mystery meat thing. The mystery meat thing needs to be examined thoroughly. And then the lab-created meat needs to be examined thoroughly, because I think a lot of people are misinformed about the mystery meat, or not informed at all. And it's possible they do that on purpose to us. Oh, I'm not not crazy about the idea of eating mystery meat. You know, before, a long time ago, you used to be able to trust them. See my jalapenos? Whoa. Okay, mystery meat. Disparaging term for meat products. Typically ground or otherwise processed meat. And in the discussion on, hopefully I'll be able to put this thing all in one piece. In our discussion on getting fat, one of the worst culprits is, ooh, my toast. Processed meat. Okay, so now I want to make some toasty cinnamon toast. I don't want to make a big deal out of my cinnamon toast. I just want to put butter. Cinnamon toast is really good with this guy, this stuff. And it's not significantly more fatty, not really. But it is significantly yummier. That's important. Oh, I want to mention something about my jewelry. Okay, I've been into jewelry and collectibles a long time. So say if you're shopping around at a thrift store for jewelry, how would you tell if a piece of jewelry was an estate jewelry or somebody just donated it? Well, generally, like this necklace, this is really pretty. See the amethyst? Estate jewelry is usually something you know damn well a person wouldn't donate. Most possibly they're dead, which is kind of sad, you know. Okay, now if everything goes well, and it did, take a look at this. See how this might be better than just two, you know. Okay, I'm going to switch now back. So this is one of those dinners that's going to be ready to eat in a few minutes. This stuff is fully cooked, so, you know, you just really want to keep that. Now I want to slip my egg on top. And I want to cook it for a couple minutes. Okay, so I have sugar on there, and now I just want a little cinnamon. So we have meat that people make disparaging remarks about it, but they eat it every single day. Okay, burger patties, chicken nuggets, Spam, Salisbury steak, sausages, and hot dogs. Unidentifiable sources of meat are in these foods. Like what? Look at this. I can't keep eating huge amounts of food because it's worrying my son. It's like child abuse. Okay, now, like, how about this? Chicken feet, horse meat, dog, that's wrong, dog meat, kangaroo, donkey meat, buffalo meat, goat meat. It's all meat. The only one that really rubs me wrong is dog meat. You know, that is just wrong. Okay, now let's see what happened here. Let me just see if I can possibly slide this to my plate. So I sincerely doubt this meal costs more than a couple bucks, if that. Yummy. Yeah, I guess this would be correct that this would be about enough for one person. They have bigger cans. I find it to be really good. Now let me get my cinnamon toast. So wasn't that the sweetest thing ever that the manager gave me this blouse? I went from hell on earth to heaven somehow. Well, it was dumb luck, that's what. It was bad luck in the first place, and it was good luck in the second place. Okay, now what? Notice this cute, adorable plate? 99 cents only, and I saved peanut butter cookies that I made last night. So if you're new to stockpiling, you're going to get the hang of it. The hash was in the stockpile. Okay, and so then what I usually do is I put a little ketchup, and ketchup can count as your vegetable if you know you're kind of broke. There's a lot of yummy stuff you can make with unsweetened applesauce and pinto beans. Okay, now I asked for comments last night on if people saw any anything missing on the shelves, and there was some stuff missing on the shelves in Indiana. Thank you, Pamela. Green beans, peas, and corn, canned potatoes. So I'm going to be stocking up on vegetables. Okay, and one of the customers left a very good recipe for tartar sauce. Mayo, diced onion, dill pickle, and lemon juice. So you want to read those comments that my followers leave. And take a look at this, you guys. Okay, you guys, I will see you tomorrow, and God bless you all.